actually it is given that it is a triangle, okay, PQR, and actually QX is a bisector of Q and XR is a bisector of the angle this R. Okay. So it is given, we are writing that QX is bisector of angle Q, okay, and RX bisector of angle R. Okay. And it is given that that's TX and SX are perpendicular to PQ and RQ respectively. Okay, it is given also. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So this angle will be 90 degree also, and this angle also 90 degree. Okay. So at first we have to show these two triangles, actually this triangle and that triangle will be congruent with each other. Okay. So it is a bisector, so these two angles are equal. Okay. So we are taking triangle XTQ and triangle XSQ. Okay. XTQ, that is XTQ, this triangle, this first triangle, this second one. Okay. So we are writing angle this TQX equal to angle XQS because it is given that QX is bisector of Q. Okay? QX is bisector of angle Q. Again, it is given that this angle and that angle is 90 degrees. So angle QTX equal to angle QSX equal to 90 degree. It is given. And QX, the common side, QX equal to QX, common COMM, common side. Okay. So two angle and one side, so by using angle side axiom of congruent triangles, we can write triangle this and this XTQ is congruent with triangle XSQ. It proves the first part. Okay, it proves the first part. Proved 1. Okay. Then two triangles are equal, 1 and 2. This triangle and that triangle. Okay, done. So it proves the first part. So we can get a result libo. Now we can write the congruent triangles from congruent. We can write that the two sides will be equal. That is Tx equal to Sx. Okay, these are the corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay, CPCT. Okay, in sorted form. This is an important result we have to write. Okay, I'm cleaning the board, but you have to write. Okay, okay, okay. Now we have to prove Px bisects Px. So actually to prove second part we have to construction. What do we write here? That is P and X is joined with a straight line. Px is joined. P and X is joined with a straight line. ঠিক আছে, একটা straight line জয়েন করে দাও px কে, দেখো ওকে px is joined, and again কি করা হলো from x we can draw a perpendicular, okay? In the first and second one, from x, from the point x, we draw a perpendicular on PR, okay? On PR. তাহলে x এখানে কি বললাম, x থেকে perpendicular টানলাম, okay? Here, this perpendicular is 90 degree, okay? Good. And actually this is put n name, draw a perpendicular, name দিয়ে দিই xn, okay, on PR, okay. Now for doing that we are going to show these two triangles will be congruent again. So it is given that from triangle SRX and triangle RXN, we can write, কি রাখতে পারি দেখো, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, so angle XSR equal to angle XNR equal to 90 degree, okay? And again we can write angle this equal to that, because of bisector it is given in a question, RX is bisector of angle R, okay? That is SRX equal to angle XRN, okay? RX is bisector of angle R, okay? And RX is common side, okay? RX equal to RX, COMM, common side, okay? So two angle and one side, okay? So by using, okay, by using angle side angle axiom, we can get, or write, these two triangles are congruent to each other. So triangle SRX is congruent with triangle RXN. These triangles are equal. So from the congruency of the triangle we can write here, these triangles are equal. So from the congruency of the triangle we can write here, these two sides will be equal, okay? That is SX equal to NX, okay? And we will write from key corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, CPCT, okay? That is another result from here, and we write it here, okay? Good. Okay, I am cleaning the board. Okay. Okay. Construction. Check with this. Okay. Now, say, if we take these two triangles, okay, what do we get? From triangle PTX, this is the point X, okay, the point X, okay, and triangle PXN, we will get two angles here and here. This is 90 degree, okay? Both the angles are 90 degree. Because it is 90 degree, so this is a 90, and this is 90 degree, so this is, the rest of that is 90 degree. So angle, we will write PTX equal to angle PNX equal to 90 degree, okay? No problem, first one. Second, now PX is common, to both of the angles. Px equal to Px, this common side. And we get another result from here we have already done, because of we can write this is our xx and this equal to sx equal to this, we can write tx equal to nx. Okay, so that will be written here, that is tx equal to nx. We've already done. Okay, by using the results, by using the results 1 and 2. Okay, you might give the name, this is 1 relation and this is relation 2, and from 1 to 2 we get this. Okay, and this is writing, we are writing here, it is because of tx, this side is equal to nx. That's why the relation is needed and important too. Okay, so two sides and one angle. By side and angle, side angle side, the triangles axiom, triangle PTX is congruent to triangle PXN. Nice. By using this, we get these two triangles will be congruent. That is, this portion and that portion will be congruent with each other. Okay. So this triangle and that triangle are congruent. Okay. Nice. So from congruency we can write. Okay, this angle equivalent to that angle. Okay, this angle will be equivalent to that angle because the corresponding angles. So angle, we can write TPX equal to angle NPX. Okay, NPX. We can write the corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay, so two angles are equal, that is, we can say in another word, px, actually this side divides the angle p in equal parts. Okay, we can write clearly in another word, that is the angle QPR is divided equally by px, or that can be said ki px, in other words, bisects bisects the angle p, or we can write equivalent to QPR. Okay. Hence proves the last part also. Proved. Okay, this is the last part. So like what we've done, let's see for second part. First prove this part, it proves the first one. Okay, and next we actually write a result. This side will be equal to that side. After that, we have, for this part, if we proceed to this part, then we have to construct a perpendicular on that and join px. Okay. After that, we have to show this angle, that this triangle will be equivalent to congruent to that triangle. Okay, and from that we will actually write this length will be equal to that length, because keno dekho jate kore that actually side, okay, and that side will be equal this length. ठीक है, tx actually from the tx equal to nx. to get this result, we have to do that kind of things. Whenever you reach in this step, okay, then you should actually write this triangle and this triangle to prove congruency, or both of them are congruent to each other, and you get actually this is 90 degree and that, and also this actually sides are equal and this is a common side, and then you are completed. Okay, then you can write that the three triangles are actually congruent, and from that you will actually able to show that two angles will be equal. And if you done that, then you can write that the is a bisector by px. Actually, the whole angle is bisected by px, and that means actually px bisects the angle p. It proves the last part also, second part. Okay, that's the